In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Shopify About Us page. Let's start inside your Shopify admin. On the left-hand sidebar, find the Online Store section. That's where Shopify keeps the tools for your storefront content and design. Open it up, and then choose Pages. Pages are perfect for evergreen content like your About Us, FAQs, and policies. And this is where your brand story will live. Once you're in Pages, look for the Add Page button. Clicking that opens the page editor, which has two main areas you'll use today: a field for your title and a rich text editor for your content. Begin with the title. Keep it clear and simple so visitors instantly know what they're looking at. About Us, Our Story, or About Your Brand are all great options. Short, recognizable titles also help with site navigation and make it easier for customers to find your story. Now move to the content area. This is where you bring your brand to life. Start with a warm, concise introduction that explains who you are and what you do in 1 or 2 sentences. Follow it with your origin story: why you started, the problem you set out to solve, and what makes your approach different. Add a bit of personality so it feels human and authentic. Build trust by highlighting what customers can expect from you, like quality standards, sustainability commitments, or exceptional support. If you have a small team, a short note about the people behind the brand can add a friendly touch. The editor lets you format text with headings and bold for emphasis, add images, and insert links. Break up longer sections into short paragraphs so the page is easy to scan. If you include photos, choose images that feel consistent with your brand and help tell the story, like a behind-the-scenes shot or a team photo. Keep your tone consistent with the rest of your site. If your brand voice is playful, let that shine through. If it's premium and polished, keep it clean and professional. Before you move on, give the content a quick proofread for clarity and typos. When you're happy with the title and content, click Save. Shopify will confirm that your changes are stored, and your About Us page is now created in your Pages list. You can return to this editor anytime to refresh your story, update images, or refine the text as your business evolves. That's all there is to it. You've created a thoughtful, on-brand About Us page that helps customers connect with your business. Thanks for watching, and happy building.